Your love is kind. Oh, hello. How are you? I'm vlogging today. No makeup, just my pommy lashes. I'm hoping they're sold out. They've been sold out by now. But if they're not, they're for $1,000. Jamaican, of course, and you can also get them wholesale for $800. Yeah. Oh, that's for my makeup artist people. If you buy them wholesale, you can't sell them back. Because I just have them in the tray. Someone will not get them with the box, and I get them without the box, just in the regular lash tray. So that's why I can't sell them back. That's why just for makeup artists. Yes, it. Where's my situation now? I don't remember. But I'm sure so that man I got to say something to me, so I'm going to go on record. Because man can't help but drunk. Let us see. Alright, not the one I expected. The one I expected did say something. Then a new one said something. Okay. Afternoon. Thank you.
Later that same evening.
Favorite snack of life? Popcorn and Pepsi. I'm gonna cut my hair.
The next day.
If her son puts a pink shirt on that says, they're going to be sterilized, that's a process that should be scrutinized and probably should be.
I hope that is the reality, because if that is not the reality.
I'm sure.
Jelly, you exceeded me last night. You said, Gigi, you make me upset. You upset me. You said, what me do? You didn't care me.
You never came go shop. Yeah, you
Claudia.
I'm disappointed in you. Over your ball, disappointed in you.
You come back in.
As you reach back himself, Gigi, me disappointed. You leave me. You make me sad.
You said, Gigi, you make me sad. I'm sad.
I'm so sad. I do my edges before. Nobody.
I don't wanna waste no time, so pardon this lack of composure. Exactly what my life ordered. A lover and a friend. Riding on the same page, walking at the same pace, wondering how my life got here, but you're here now. Yeah. Pedal down the same street, wave at people we see, yeah. Talking out loud of last week's ups and this week's doubts. Love was inconceivable, but since I met you head to toe, I don't wanna waste no time, so pardon this lack of composure. Exactly what my life ordered. A lover and a friend. Look, can we just skip goodbye? No need to text, wanna roll over, 'cause you're already here closer. A lover and a friend. Let the credits roll the end. It's like I finally see all the pieces in the puzzles and the meant to be's. Yeah, yeah. Kinda figured it out, like the sun got its place with the rain and the clouds. If I could go back, tell myself alright, she was the wrong thing, you're gonna be fine, yeah. It was all just living, and now I don't wanna waste no time, so pardon this lack of composure. Exactly.
Oh, my baby is alive. Baby is alive. Oh, yes. Oh, I kissed this baby. Oh, this baby is alive.
And this is born up. Oh my God. Oh, we turned on. Not up that.
Yes, I'm turn it down. See, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So where do you know?
It might put it between 2 and 3. I'm gonna throw at them sober. That wake up the boys. That Reid catch up back my ear. And mama butter it for me. So I'm gonna go for them now. Alright boys, finish up by 7:45. This is yours. 7:45, okay? I mean 6:45.
Maybe somebody can help me. Let's get mommy. But this is my mommy. Yeah. Oh, it's gonna be a giant house. It's starting to be. Let's go. Okay. Hi, we need more blocks.
Come,
Mom, I
wasp.
wasp.
Come. Come sit down in my lap.
A black wasp. Oh no, sorry. Mama, carry it here.
Carry what? Yeah.
Mommy, I want to see me and my friend them have one bag of bottle. I want to see
What do you mean it happened at your
Oscott.
school?
It happened at Oscott.
Is that Ascot student got taken?
Yes.
Wow.
Could I just go before it, you know?
Alright, we're ready. I'm sweating up a storm though. And I'm singed to have on both waist trainers again.
Wait, Mommy, remember you were watching that show and it said Thor? Like Thor the snake and Thor the Thor.
Yeah.
I think Thor the snake and Thor will make a great team.
You think so?
They're both Thor.
Jolene, mind pull up your ear. Mama packing on or something them.
I'm going to put my lunch money. Mommy, I have a secret part. I have a secret part in my bag. Was it here? It looks so similar.
Zip it up and... Oh, at the back.
Yes, so similar. And this was like cowboy top because I can hold it like that. Cowboy top. Miracle, Mommy, guess what? The find a little iPad in my bag and nearly carry go school. It says we never leave till I see. Oh, good to say that anyway. Okay, a little hot and Oreo. Married hot and Oreo. Can you go crazy?
I'm Jolene on. I'm going to put no pocket in. Oh, no pocket.
Mom.
Huh?
Yeah, I'm saying see what?
Okay.
Snack name chicken chick.
Chicken and chips, it tastes nice. Jolly, take up a school bag. Behind you, it's behind. See there on the floor. Oh, yeah. A beer bomb.
On Adapted Mind Reading,
Yes, diamonds.
Come on.
What do you want to eat?
What do you think? Donuts. Keep going.
Okay, put some more.
1, 2, and... You got the donuts?
Okay, let's start digging.
Okay.
So close.
The following day.
Hi guys. Yeah, I think I'm going to be cutting. Oh no, what's this makeup? I never beard. Wear makeup all over my shirts. I never bathe. I wash off. Can you something when I wash off in a beard, you know? That's to me. I should have beard, but clearly I wash off because the white cloth wouldn't be brown with made up. So I'm editing now. The boys are coming over early. Can I say this here right now? Today is the 15th. You can see that? Today is, where is it? The 15th? You saw that? Today are the 15th of this month. Today are the 15th of now. This video is going up probably in the 20s or so. I pre-recorded my videos. I did 2 makeup videos in one day, and I could have done 2-3 makeup videos in one day, but because when my niece is here and my nephew is here, sometimes I help out, and sometimes they're making noise and I can't really film, isn't me? And my skin was starting to react from the makeup. So I'm saying that to say, I have a goal with my YouTube channel. It will not be like any other, YouTube channel that you've seen or encountered or interacted with. My goal is whenever I put something out there, it speaks to you, it moves you, and it will automatically keep you coming back to my channel on a business level. But on a spiritual level, it's your safe space. On a spiritual level, I'll go through the bullshit and let you see. And I don't intend on going through the bullshit. Please remember, I'm not saying and cheap on me, my record, views. No, shit happens. I'm an open woman and I share. Because I live my life, I hate this goddamn edge control. I live my life wisely by the notion that whatever's in the dark must come to light. All things work together for your good. And I had an amazing revelation about David and his three bodyguards. But I have a dirty piece of beauty and the Bible plan for no. And I think I'm gonna do it in this vlog, but I want to get cutesified for you guys. Excuse me first. So yeah, my phone is running out of memory. So I'm just recording as much as I can, edit these off really quickly, delete off stuff, and yeah. So I appreciate you guys. Thank you for coming back, and baby, watch the finish. Good job, baby.
Crushing my opponent and just
Jesus, you love me too much, oh, too much, oh, too much, oh, excess love, oh. Jesus, you love me too much, oh, too much, oh, too much, oh, excess love, oh. Yeah, yeah. Love me too much, oh, too much, oh, too much, oh, excess love, oh. Your love is kind, oh, your love is patient. You fill my heart with so much peace and joy.
he's like, what's his mom doing?
You're amazing. You make my life feel brand new. You're amazing. You make my life feel brand new. Jesus, you love me too much, oh, too much, oh, too much, oh, excess love, oh. So let's do this. Here. Okay. Instead of adding music to this part of the clip, I'm going to stick this at a gem right here. I'm going to be doing an event called Makeup and Do It, similar to what I had for that a makeup week, and I'll be charging $5,000. It'll be a 2-day event, and I'll be doing a makeup for just $5,000. A basic makeup only, $5,000, and I'll be giving you guys the date.
Count and hate or believe, but please believe it makes no difference to me. Cause I'm the baddest man alive.
Oh man, taking the game ever higher. And we're here with a little taste of that fire.
Cause I'm the baddest man alive.
Oh damn, you know it's easy to see that there ain't no one of y'all can stand next to me.
Cause I'm the baddest
Rochester rebel. Looking bezeled, you boys is looking disheveled, huh? Out of Nashville, that's Tennessee. I'm swinging fast, you gon' be thinking it's 10 of me. Don't want me as your enemy, I'll bury your name. Was buddy in these streets, now you forgot about the game. You got egg on your face like you ate a souffle. Now I'ma knock your top off like it's Trump's toupee. Now slow down.